hunting, fishing, loving every day. That's the prayer that a country boy prays. Thank God he made me this way, hunting and fishing and loving every day.
If you're thinking about selling your home and literally have animals hanging around, now's a good time to go ahead and either box them up or maybe let a friend or family member hold on to them for you for a little while. Trophies like these can generate negative emotion with prospective buyers, and the last thing you want to do is shrink your buyer pool.